Imagine strapping into a starship, engines rumbling as you blast off from Earth and watch our planet shrink into the distance. That rush of exploration, that's what we're chasing today. We're venturing to the farthest, most mysterious corners of the cosmos, worlds with their own stories and secrets. These distant planets challenge everything we know about the universe and our place in it, so buckle up. This isn't just a science lesson, it's a cosmic road trip. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the most fascinating and remote worlds ever discovered. Let's fire up the engines and see what's out there. First stop, Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. Sunlight takes over 4 hours to reach this icy giant, which is more than 17 times the mass of Earth. There's no solid surface, just a swirling, chaotic atmosphere and a super hot, dense core. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system, whipping up storms like the Great Dark Spot, a tempest the size of Earth. Its deep blue color comes from methane in the atmosphere, but don't be fooled. It's one of the coldest places around, at minus 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune's discovery was a triumph of mathematics, predicted before it was ever seen. It's the gatekeeper of our solar system, the last major stop before interstellar space. And then there's Triton, Neptune's largest moon, orbiting backward and spewing icy geysers, likely a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. Studying Neptune helps us understand ice giants across the galaxy. It's a cold, dark world packed with secrets, reminding us how diverse and extreme planets can be. Neptune isn't just the end of the line, it's a vital piece of the cosmic puzzle. Ready to head even farther out? Let's go. Next up, Pluto, the little world that sparked a huge debate. Once our ninth planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, but that only made it more fascinating. Pluto is the king of the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies beyond Neptune. The New Horizons mission in 2015 revealed a world of frozen plains, towering ice mountains, and a giant heart-shaped glacier. Pluto's surface is surprisingly active, hinting at a possible subsurface ocean, liquid water, billions of miles from the sun. Its largest moon, Charon, is so big that together they form a binary system, locked in a perpetual dance. Pluto's story shows our solar system is more crowded and complex than we ever imagined. Whether planet or dwarf planet, Pluto is a rock star, complex, dynamic, and full of surprises. It reminds us that even the smallest, most distant worlds have incredible stories to tell. There are still so many secrets waiting in the dark. Let's leave the solar system behind and see what's out there. Ready for the next leap? Let's jump. Now we're heading 500 light-years away to Kepler 186 FF, the first Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of another star. The habitable zone means it's not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water. Kepler 186 F orbits a red dwarf, so its days are bathed in a reddish-orange glow like a permanent sunset. Its discovery was a landmark, proof that Earth-like worlds can exist elsewhere. Suddenly the question wasn't, are there other Earths, but how many? We know its size and orbit, but not its mass or atmosphere yet. At 500 light-years away, it's out of reach for probes, but we found it by watching for tiny dips in starlight as it passed in front of its star. Kepler 186 F represents possibility, a hint that the galaxy could be teeming with worlds like ours. It fuels our imagination and drives us to build better telescopes, searching for signs of life. We can't see its continents or oceans yet, but it's a cosmic signpost. Keep looking. Kepler 186 F is a whisper from across the galaxy, telling us we're not alone. Ready to visit our next neighbor? Let's go. Now, let's head closer to home, just 4.2 light-years away, to Proxima b, orbiting the closest star to our Sun. It's our next-door neighbor in cosmic terms, and if we ever send a probe to another star, this is the likely target. Proxima b is a little more massive than Earth and orbits its red dwarf star in just 11 days. It's probably tidally locked, with one side an endless day, the other an eternal night. The best chance for life is in the twilight zone between. But there's a catch. Proxima Centauri is a flare star blasting the planet with intense radiation that could strip away its atmosphere. Is Proxima b a habitable haven or a radiation-blasted wasteland? The answer could reshape our search for life. If it survives, life could be more resilient than we ever imagined. Proxima b is both hope and challenge, so close, yet so mysterious. It's the focus of intense research and the inspiration for projects aiming to send probes to the stars. Proxima b isn't just a planet, it's our first step toward the stars. Let's see what else is out there. Onward. For our final stop, meet HD 209458b Osiris, a hot Jupiter that changed exoplanet science forever. This gas giant orbits its star in just 3.5 days with temperatures soaring to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Osiris was the first exoplanet found using the transit method, proving we could spot distant worlds by watching them block their star's light. Because it passes in front of its star, scientists detected its atmosphere, finding sodium, water vapor, and even watching the planet's atmosphere boil off into space. Osiris became the Rosetta Stone for exoplanet atmospheres, paving the way for studying smaller, potentially habitable worlds. The techniques developed here are now used by the James Webb Space Telescope to probe Earth-sized planets. Osiris is extreme and inhospitable, but its contribution to science is immeasurable. It taught us how to see and understand worlds far beyond our own. Every discovery since stands on its shoulders. Ready to wrap up our journey? Let's bring it home. So what did we learn? We've seen blue giants, icy hearts, and possible Earths orbiting distant stars. Each planet is a track on the universe's greatest mixtape. Epic, quirky, and essential to our story. Exploring these worlds isn't just for scientists, it's for anyone who's ever looked up and wondered. These aren't just data points, they're destinations for our imagination. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose that sense of wonder. The universe is waiting. Who knows what we'll find next? Thanks for coming along on this trip. Until next time, keep exploring.